Hey, I'm at Memberstack here and welcome to Memberscript 212. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple onboarding checklist like this. Users will be able to mark off items that they have completed during the onboarding process, and once they've fully completed the onboarding checklist, they will then be redirected to their dashboard. Alright, let me show you how to set all of this up inside of Webflow. In Webflow, you are going to need to add Memberscript 212 and it should look like this. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link to that code should be in the description below, and if you're watching this on the Memberstack site, then you should have already seen the code. You can either add this site-wide or on a specific page depending on your specific use case. On the page itself, you are going to need to add the following attributes in order to make this work. We'll have a div that will essentially act as our checklist container, and on that you're going to add the attribute of data MS code checklist container. Within that, there is an onboarding heading. You can title this whatever you want. And then we have the progress bar. So for the progress bar, we have over here our progress label with the attributes of data MS code progress label. And then our percentage will have the attribute of data MS code percentage or progress percent. And then for our actual progress bar, inside we have a progress bar here with the attribute of data MS code progress bar. Okay, now to set up the checklist items. On each item, you're going to add the attribute of data MS code checklist item, and then for each item, it will have a specific identifier. For example, this is to complete your profile, so this will have MS Code Step Profile. And the next one will have MS Code Step Workspace. And you can just title them this way in order to have them displayed in the user's JSON like this. So in the user's member JSON, you'll be able to see the steps that that user has completed. And then when they have fully completed all their onboarding checks, then this dismissed will be set to true. Okay. For the checklist itself, we have a checkbox over here, and that has the attribute of data MS code checkbox. And then every time a user has completed a checklist item, these items get striked out. So we have an item content wrapper over here with the attribute of data MS code item content. Certain styles, like when a user has marked off an item as completed, will be controlled by the script over here. So if you head over to the script, you'll be able to see that there is a little bit of CSS here when an item is marked off as completed, as well as when that checkbox item is completed over here. And then we also redirect a user to a certain page, and you can either leave them on this page or just redirect them to a completely different page by changing this URL over here. Okay, that is it. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out in the Slack 2.0 channel. Bye.